All these people are my friends.
I have been studied in Loreto Convent, Lucknow.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छी तरह ध्यान रखते हैं। हमें कोई चीज़ की परेशानी होती है इनसे कहते हैं, थोड़ा सा मंगा देते हैं।
When I heard about Cheshire Home, I had plenty of thoughts on my mind. And one constant thought was, why do we need an old age home? जो पेरेंट्स हमें बड़ा करते हैं, एक दिन हम उन्हीं को छोड़ देते हैं, ऐसा क्यों? यहाँ आकर मुझे ऐसे कुछ बहुत से सवालों के जवाब मिले। At the moment you have 29 people.
We have 29 people. There is a capacity for about 40, including the staff. The staff also stays here.
Right.
So, including the staff, we have a capacity of 40.
And how did it start?
The background, the gentleman who, Lord Cheshire, who saw the Second World War pilot, he saw the Hiroshima bombing. The moment he saw that devastation that had taken place, he mind changed, he left Air Force.
Okay.
And then he started this from this kind of facility. The first Cheshire home came in India was in 1955 in Mumbai.
Okay.
Then slowly we started expanding. So right now we are at 18 numbers, 18 Cheshire home in India. We have one in Uttar Pradesh.
How was the lockdown different than the earlier times, other than the outings and all? Do you think it was
the lockdown
difficult?
is different. We are not exposing them to people outside.
Okay.
We normally do not let people come in, no interact with them. And throughout the lockdown, I used to be here. But that is the only way that you can take care of these people. Otherwise, we used to take them out for picnics, we used to take them out everywhere, hotels, everywhere you should take them. They used to be happy. Now they are missing them. They are missing them.
My age is 69.
How do you find Cheshire Home?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Uh-huh.
What do you like about it?
It's very open.
Have you made friends here?
All these people are my friends.
And I have been studied in Loreto Convent, Lucknow. That was quite some time back. And I came here because my mother and father were no more. There were 3 other Kashmiris, but we may say 2 are no more. One is alive. She is in a joint family. So she can't do that much of justice to work. It's heavy, a joint family. So I'm here.
मैं अंग्रेजी में भी हूँ, मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन यही है और मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर था, अब तो मैं रिटायर कर गया। तो हमारी पत्नी की डेथ हो चुकी है और मेरा एक जवान लड़का भी था, उसका रोड एक्सीडेंट में गुजर गया। मुसीबतें मेरे सर पर आई, पारिवारिक मुसीबतें। उसी के दौरान मैं यहाँ आकर के साहब के अंडर में रहने लगा।
नहीं, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। साहब बहुत अच्छी तरह ध्यान रखते हैं। हमें कोई चीज़ की परेशानी होती है इनसे कहते हैं, थोड़ा सा मंगा देते हैं। हाँ, हमको तो ये बहुत सकते हैं।
कितने दिन हो गए आपको इधर?
हमको 4 years हो गए।
4 years हो गए।
4 years में नहीं आ रहे थे और आप लोग कभी कोई आता मिलने के लिए तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई अपना ही आ रहा है।
चेशायर होम लगभग 1 एकड़ एरिया में फैला हुआ है। सेल्फ रिलायंस की ओर कदम बढ़ाते हुए यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के लिए खाद और कंपोस्ट बनाया जाता है और कई तरह की सब्जी और फल उगाए जाते हैं। रोज़ाना यहाँ टाइम टेबल के अनुसार पौष्टिक आहार बनाए जाते हैं एंड नॉट जस्ट द मैनेजमेंट बट द स्टाफ इज इक्वली गुड एंड एफिशिएंट which includes cooks, gardener, health specialist and caretaker.
So if people want to associate with the Cheshire Home, what are the different ways in which they can?
One is your independent donations that you can give,
Right.
or secondly, you could become members of this Cheshire Home. We make you a member, and then you can see. We'll keep you posted on what all activities that we are doing. We celebrate birthdays of these people.
Okay.
And every month we used to celebrate. Before this COVID, every month we used to have birthday celebrations. The Taj gives us a cake, birthday, big cake, and we give them gifts so that they feel wanted, feel important. We used to take them out for picnics. We used to take them out to Mandir. We used to take them to Taj Hotel. There are a lot of people, clerks over used to give us food. Taj gives us New Year's one. So, aim is to keep them occupied. Then belongingness is there.
So,
That there is somebody to take care of them.
Can people make donations through your website, or they have to be from here physically?
No, you can. We have our account number is there on the website.
On the website.
You can. There you get a receipt for this.
And to become a member, what do they have to do?
There is a form with us that you fill up that form. You say I would like to become a member. We'll share that form with you. Then we'll keep you posted on what all we are doing.
चेशायर होम आकर मुझे एक बात का तो पता चला कि देयर कैन बी वेरियस रीजंस फॉर पीपल रिजाइडिंग हियर। हम अक्सर सोचते हैं कि बच्चों ने अपने माता पिता को बुढ़ापे में छोड़ दिया, बट दैट्स नॉट ऑलवेज द केस। अगर ये ओल्ड एज होम्स नहीं होते तो उन बुजुर्गों का कौन ध्यान रखता जिनका कोई नहीं है। ओल्ड एज होम्स आर अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज। जिस तरह बच्चे कभी माता पिता पे बोझ नहीं होते, उसी तरह बच्चों के लिए भी माता पिता बोझ नहीं होने चाहिए। After meeting the residents here, I got to know all they need is our time. अगर आपके पास ज़रा सा भी समय हो तो इन्हें ज़रूर दें। I walked into Cheshire Home with heavy steps and heart, but I walked out with a smile.